Hello everybody, I am Walt. Here we are with part 23 of our 101 Ways to Feel Happy on a Daily Basis. I believe this part number 23 is all about, getting outside. So taking some time to go out and explore nature, and I think that's a very good idea because a lot of people don't take the time to go outside besides when they're like walking places, getting to class, getting to work, getting to wherever they're going. I think that they don't really necessarily take the time just to go for a walk, and I try to find the time almost every day to go and walk out in nature. It's not always easy to find the time to do, but I find it to be refreshing. You don't even have to just pay attention to the nature. You can go with somebody and just like talk about anything, but kind of that experience of forest bathing, of just being around nature, really can be super useful. I've done a few other videos on that kind of stuff, but I don't know, some of the Wayne Dyer material really nails that down, and I think that overall, being in nature is effective. It's something that can make you just feel better. And that's not to say that all natural remedies or anything work. No, science is a very good thing here. But nature is also something that is like going to make people feel better. It's going to decrease like some of your stress responses and some of the stuff like that. There's even some studies that suggest that cortisol levels, your stress hormone for the long-term stress response, will tend to drop if you will do some forest bathing. So anyway, I'd recommend just go outside, and you'll be a little bit happier when you have a link to any amount of nature, even if it's like just putting a small like little plant in your office or your house or your room or whatever. That even those small kind of experiences of nature, just having that can make you feel better. But this one is going outside, so go outside, have some fun, and I should probably take my own advice more on some of this stuff. So yeah, at least on that example. But yeah, anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'm Walt. I will see you guys next time with our next video. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.